are. Show me who you are. Let me tell you something. Jesus ain't got to show nobody nothing. He tells them in the next verse, but he answered and said unto them, an evil and adulterous generation seeks after a sign, and there shall no sign be given to it but the sign of the prophet Jonah. That's a powerful statement, because I know all of you have heard Jonah was in the belly of the fish. But did you know he was in there for 3 days? The next verse tells you. It says, for Jonas was there 3 days and 3 nights in the belly. So shall the Son of Man be 3 days and 3 nights in the heart of the earth. He said, ain't no other sign you're going to get except that one. Come join us at Restoration Church at 11 a.m. every Sunday morning.